Thank you very much Bwana Laban. Yangu nitamalizia na kusema, when we get hold of the golden ink, which is our registration voters card, we must and we will change this Kenya, and we must change this Kenya as the young people and as the young liberators and the generations that we have. And that is the only golden ink that will leave a mark to this country. So ya muhimu, the most important is the young people should register as they should register themselves to the IEBC and have that card, so that we must and we change this country from these old guards that I am speaking and I'm always speaking about, that have changed and stolen a lot of lives in this country. So for me and for the mini, nitasema tu hivi, when we get that golden registration voters card, let us change this country. And the only way you can get that is by you going and registering through the IEBC offices and have it, so that we change this country. And that is the only way. So pangu nitawaacha na kuambia, ukiregister hawataamini come 2027. Na ya mwisho ni kuwakumbushe tu, si kuongea tu, ni action. Si story, ni action. Let us do this thing. Let us please register and be ready. Tusiongoje hadi ile time ya mwisho. Wacha tujitokeze ndio to end easy tribal wars, ndio tuweze kukuja na tumalize ukabila yote, tukue one tribe, one nation. That is the only thing that I have for the day. Thank you.